Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of you. Selamat pagi dan semangat pagi untuk kalian semua. How are you today? Apa kabarnya kalian semua? Semoga kalian semua dalam keadaan sehat walafiat dan yang terpenting tetap stay at home. Okay, welcome to my English classroom with me, Miss Iin. Today we are going to learn about this must and must not. This is rule, obligation, and prohibition. This is the English material for grade 8 KD 3.3. Okay, what is a rule? Apa itu rule? Okay, rule is a sign or something written that we respect. Ya, sebuah tanda ya, atau sesuatu tulisan yang biasanya kita patuhi, Okay, for example, contohnya ada gambar seperti ini. Ada gambar cellphone dicoret. Oke, biasanya tertulis no cell phone. Kemudian kita terjemahkan dalam kalimat menggunakan must atau must not. Jadi, we must not bring cell phone in the classroom. Atau dengan must juga bisa, it must no cell phone in the classroom. Bisa seperti itu. Oke, next, is this a rule? Apakah ini rule? Apakah ini aturan? A sign, tadi rule adalah a sign, a written rule. Oke, masih tentang gambar cellphone. Oke, kita buat kalimatnya. Sinta turn off her cell phone. Ini kira-kira menggunakan must atau must not? Oke, right. Sinta must turn off her cell phone. Jadi sesuai dengan konteks kalimatnya, penggunaan must atau must not ya. Okay, next, the verb doesn't change ya. Jadi kata kerjanya tidak berubah, khusus setelah model must, kata kerjanya turn off tidak berubah menjadi turns, tapi turn off karena ada model must-nya di situ. Okay, next, is this a rule? Apakah ini rule? A sign tadi ada gambarnya, no smoking di sini. Kemudian a written rule, ya ada tulisannya no smoking. And then kita buat kalimatnya di sini. Ada people bla 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 smoke. Kira-kira isiannya must atau must not? Oke, must not. People must not smoke. Ya. Orang-orang dilarang merokok. Oke, jadi kemudian verbnya juga doesn't change. Ya, kata kerjanya setelah must tidak berubah. Jadi smoke. Oke, next. Sini ada gambar. Ya, kita kembali ke konteks kalimatnya. She or he wear seat belts. Kira-kira must atau must? Must not. Oke, right. She or he must wear seat belt. Jadi sesuaikan dengan konteks kalimatnya. Kemudian di sini verbnya doesn't change. Ya, wear-nya tidak menjadi she wears, tapi she must wears, tapi she must wear seat belt. Ya, tidak ditambahkan s. Ya, tetap wear. Oke, next. These are school rules. Ini aturan yang ada di sekolah. Don't arrive late, help your classmate, and etc. Oke, kita rubah kalimatnya menjadi menggunakan must and mustn't. Oke, don't arrive late menjadi you must not arrive late. Help your classmates menjadi you must help your classmates. Oke, jadi perhatikan di sini. Kalau di sini ada pernyataan negatif, maka di sini pun negatif. Oke, ini kira don't copy other student work. Di sini ada negatif, berarti you mustn't copy other student work. Oke, di sini juga ada negatif. Oke, siapa yang bisa? Don't eat in class. Jadi you mustn't eat in class. Study hard. Ini study hard tidak ada nyata negatif, maka You must study hard. Ya, positif juga. Number 6, put your hand up to ask a question. Jadi, you must put your hand up to ask a question. Number 7, be polite. Oke, menjadi you must be polite. Don't write on the walls or desks. Ada negatif di sini, maka you mustn't write on the walls or desks. Don't talk in class. Ada negatif, you mustn't talk in class. Don't throw litter on the floor. Menjadi you mustn't litter on the floor. Oke, next. This is write 5 rules for the home. Ya, tulis 5 aturan yang ada di rumah. Use, must, or mustn't. Di sini ada beberapa activity. Ada watch TV, read book, clean your room, go to bed early, play computer game, help your parents at home. Number 1, you blah 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 help your parents at home. Must or mustn't? Right, must. You must help your parents at home. You blah 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 go to bed early. Okay, you must go to bed early. You mustn't watch TV. Number 4, you read a book. You must read a book. You blah 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 clean your room. You must clean your room. Okay, you blah 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 play computer game. Jadi, ya, you mustn't play computer games. Especially, khususnya, for example, jika besok mau ulangan, you mustn't play computer game. Okay. Next, open your English book. This is your English book for grade A, page 40, di halaman 40 buka. Okay, there are rules and obligations set by Siti. Ya, di sini Siti menyatakan rule and obligation in her school. Okay, we must wear a uniform every day. From Monday to Tuesday, we must wear batik shirt. The girl must wear a black shirt, and the boy must wear a pair of black pants. On Friday, we must wear scout uniform. We must wear proper shoes. We must not wear sandals, t-shirt. The kids will wear in any place, anytime during the school hours. Ini pernyataan mengenai rules and obligation dari Siti yang ada di sekolahnya. Okay, and then this is rule and obligation set by Dayu. We must not be late to school. We must come on time to class and to end the flag ceremony. If we are late, we must wait outside the gate. We must not come in until the security guard gives us permission. We must sign a paper before we come to class. If we cannot come on time for any reason, we must hand in notice from our parents to principal. Ini berdasarkan Dayu. And then rules and obligations set by Edo. Kalian bisa baca sendiri di sini. Di buku kalian juga ada. Okay. And the rules and obligations set by Udin. Ya, kalian bisa baca sendiri di sini. Menurut Udin, rules and obligations di sekolahnya sebagai berikut. And then let's recall. Kita ulang kembali apa yang mereka katakan. Tadi, we know from Siti, Dayu, Edo, and Udin the following rules in their school. Jadi menurut Siti, Dayu, Edo, dan Udin, peraturan di sekolah mereka ada antara lain adalah the student must wear a uniform every day. From Monday to Thursday, they must wear a batik shirt. The girls must wear a black shirt and the boys must wear a pair of black pants. Jadi kita ganti di sini the students, bukan we lagi. Oke. Kemudian kalau kata gantinya menjadi they. Ya, ini yang mereka semua katakan tadi. Ya. Ini ada sejumlah 23 yang mereka katakan. Oke. After this, you will have your assignment. Open your Google Classroom. Buka Google Classroom-nya. This is your assignment today. There are 20 questions. You must answer on time. Ya, jawab dengan tepat waktu, jangan ditunda. Segera selesaikan. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining my classroom and see you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.